Pack family. If you're new with us, welcome to our channel.
And with that, welcome back to the pack.
We are the Jam Pack family. Guys, I couldn't say it in front of the kids, but I want to tell you guys that. Hold on. Hey Google, pause TV. Okay, so I've been wanting to get a dog for a really long time. The kids want to get a dog for the longest. So I had set up an appointment for us to visit 2 puppies. Now the reason why this is like a big deal because Josiah is allergic to dogs. So we set up a play date to see how the dog will work with his allergies. So anything that we would get will have to be mixed with poodle. And those are really expensive dogs. So we're surprising the kids and going to Petland to look at the doggies and then go for our play dates with 2 puppies. One is like a cockapoo, which is like a cocker spaniel, and a poodle. So a cockapoo, and the other one is, I can't remember the names together, but it's a Bichon and a poodle mixed together. So I guess like a Bishopoo or something like that. But anyway, so we're about to get ready to go there. It is a surprise. The kids are going to be so excited. So I'll see you guys when we get in the car. Guys, we're in the car. Say hey.
Hey.
Say hey, babe.
Hey.
Okay, you guys, so we're in the car and we're about to go. They still don't know where we're going. So excited. So I'm about to put the address in and then we're going. We're about to get ready to leave because we're gonna be late. Guys, so where do y'all think we're going?
Ain't it, is this a family place? And
You
we're going with another family?
No, we're not going to another family. You said what, Joe?
I feel like it's a trampoline park.
A trampoline park. What do you think, Jax?
If it is, she would have told me to put on some comfortable clothes. I wanted some comfortable clothes.
Okay, let him talk.
I feel like it's the park.
The park? Like a regular park?
Oh, it got me going for it.
You don't want to go that way? You don't want to go this way? Oh, okay. Well, they're all wrong.
Wait.
But we'll see. Y'all know where we're going. But we'll see when we get. We'll see you guys when we get there. What?
Are we going to an escape room?
No. Oh, that would be fun though. But no, we're not going there. So I will see you guys when we get there.
We're not going to the gym.
Get out the street.
I literally said that. You gonna say,
Where y'all going? Y'all going to the gym?
watch this welcome there. You're gonna tell us to turn around.
I told him we was going to the gym, y'all. We're going to Petland. We're going to Petland. Come on, we got an appointment. Show him. Look how chubby he looks. He's really, he looks really chunky, but he's not. That's just fur. Okay, wait. Go have a seat. Go have a seat. Go have a seat. Feel him. Look, pet him.
I pet him.
Yeah, pet him.
He's so small.
I know. I think he should be a part of our family. I like him so much.
Can we get him?
I like him because he's like excited. He's not like a lazy, like just boring puppy. Do you want to come home with us?
Look at the ground. Smell it.
These dogs are really expensive though. I don't know how much it costs. I don't know how much they're probably expensive, huh?
Yeah. He looks chubby.
Just, okay, now that he's down, kind of pick him up like this. Pick him up that way. He's like a, what's Louis? He's like a Louis.
He's like a movie. I'm so nervous.
He's like
Be careful, don't step on his paws.
I know. That's what I'm trying not to do, but I can't pick him up. I'm so nervous. I don't want him to attack me. I feel like he's
Not
not
gonna attack you.
I know.
No, he's not like Scooter at all. He keep biting my necklace. You chewing on my necklace?
He likes it.
He's really chewing. You're gonna hurt yourself, buddy. Where are his toys at? Oh look, it's a ball. It's a ball. Look it.
love the ball.
Look it. You gonna get it?
Yeah.
Look, he brought it back to you. He brought here trying to get it. Oh, look at they're trying to fix you. Oh my God. I can't. I want them so bad, but they hate it. They keep putting their feet up like they're scared. Oh, here.
How are we doing in here, guys?
Oh my gosh, we love him.
He's just soaking it all up, too, isn't he?
Yes. He's so smart, like we said. He's really smart.
He is.
So how big will he get? Like,
We're probably maxed out at around 15 to 18 pounds full grown, so still pretty small, but not small enough to where you're gonna like accidentally step on.
okay. Because he's only 2 months, right?
Yeah, right about 2 months and some change, I think.
Okay.
He's so sweet though.
Oh my God.
He's ready to party.
I see.
Do you guys have any other questions or anything I can help you out with at this time?
No, you have any questions?
We'll probably send you home with the bigger kennel as well, so that way it fits him. Get it from me.
Nice.
So with that being said, let me double check on this one's price and I'll be right back.
Okay, thank you.
Get down there. He's so
I knew this was going to be hard.
good for it.
And the poodle is for you. We have to have a dog with poodle. Look how curly he is. That's
You
why he's
trying
so
to
curly.
bite me, Vaughn? Why you trying to bite me, bro?
Mommy, please.
His little bites don't even hurt. Yeah, you want to hold him? You want to put him up there on you?
I want to sit down and hold him.
Okay, you ready? Look at Jax. He loves him. Look at him trying to get away.
The person he loves.
He really did. I know, he keep going to him.
What till we name him?
We got it. We don't have him yet.
He's so comfortable.
I know. I don't know, sir. We wanted you, but now you gotta like him. You can't like him. You got to like me.
Oh,
No.
you bite my hand.
He bit his locks.
I'm not gonna pick the mess with.
You not? And that's what I was afraid of because it's other dogs in here too. So I thought you would. And you say you're feeling fine so far, but you know it hits Joe really easily. You know. But it's a lot of dogs. I think everybody out here is playing with a mixed poodle.
I want him so
I wish I could hear you bark. Can you bark so I can see how loud you bark?
Yeah, I heard him bark.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, he is.
What? Oh, really?
Oh,
Where the bone? Where's the bone? Give me the bone. Look it. Look. It's a bone. It's a bone. So cute because he's so little. Look at him, y'all. Pick up the bone. Oh my gosh. I cannot take this.
You want the bone? The bone? I'm
I
getting the
know,
bone.
but if we get all that to start off with, which is good. Is it a leash on there? Y'all gonna help take him outside
Yes.
and walk him?
Yes.
But we got the porch. Oh, another thing I was thinking too, we have our porch. We can put like a gate on there, like our neighbors do, because they let them walk around. But I think we probably need to put something else because he can fit through those things. Oh look! Oh my
Jackson
gosh!
gets so. Dogs and Jackson get along so well.
Look at him chewing on Jack's coat and Jack's just letting him.
Just letting them leave.
I just don't want him to bother Joe. His two breeds is hyperallergenic.
It's just like Scooter. I was with Scooter for a long time. I got over Scooter.
Okay, let's put him back for a second and meet the other one. We have to see other one. Look at it. Okay, so you guys, we thought the other one was a cockapoo. No, we thought it was a Bashan poo. That was a cockapoo. But this one is a Bashan poo.
He looked dirty right
Look
there.
at her. She's a cutie. She's really calm. The other one was more hyper. She looks a lot.
She look at him.
But I'm gonna see. We're gonna see if they have a Bashan poo, male Bashan poo. Because we really want a male dog. So.
But even though we love you, girlie,
Even
I love
though
her
we
clothes,
got
don't you?
together.
You can see her face, like you can see her face. This is the last dog we're gonna be seeing today, and he's so cute. This is a Bashan poo too. This is a male
I
Bashan
want
poo.
him. I want him.
I'm not gonna. I don't know. We'll see. What's up, honey? Okay, so I think everybody really want him. Justin, get your hand off his neck like
Joe,
that.
like, I don't care what you want.
But he shed a little bit, and that may be a problem for Joe.
But
So we just really not sure. We're really not sure at all. Jackson won't leave the dog down. Why do you keep picking the dog up? Let him be.
it's not the ball.
Oh my God. Let him live his best life, please.
I live in his best
Hold, throw the ball so they can see him play. Throw the ball.
Throw the ball, Jay. Throw the ball.
Let him. Watch his tail, sir.
You gotta be careful, Jay.
He ain't even paying attention. Let's throw.
You gotta, oh. Yeah, give me that ball.
You gotta.
You gotta throw it in front of you.
I wonder if he's hungry.
You gotta put it in front of you. Maybe he is hungry.
But he's not playing right now, y'all. He was just playing, running around. It's so cute. Hey, you guys. So we're leaving now. We fell in love with, I guess, the cockapoo and the Bashampoo, but we're not able to get him today. This was just really, we wasn't supposed to go home with the dog today. We was just supposed to see how, if we liked those breeds, how they work with the family. I knew that it was going to be upsetting to the kids when we didn't get a dog today, but I just wanted to see, you know, how the dogs react with our family and stuff like that. But they're really upset right now. I'm sorry. Okay.
Calm down, Jay. I'm the ball.
Okay, so like I said, they're very upset. Don't hit that car. Don't hit the door. The other car. So yeah, the kids are pretty upset, but we just really wanted to see how the dogs, how they, you know, interact with our family and what breed we really like and stuff like that. I see the opposite. I see how the opposite breeds, like the two different breeds, have completely different personalities, don't they, babe? Complete different personalities. Cockapoo is more energetic, and then a Bashampoo is more relaxed and laid back. Alright, you guys, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Alright, you guys, we'll see you next time. Thank you again for watching, like I said, and we'll see you next time. Bye.